Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7, subject biology, chapter 9, sport and movement, page number 131. My dear students, today's student learning outcomes are endoskeleton, vertebrates, osteoporosis. Endoskeleton, endo mean inside. Inside our body, this skeleton is present, made up of hard bone and cartilage. Strong framework to giving support and attachment places for the muscles after that, which are covered or wrapped with skin. For muscles, grow with body. As your body increase or gain in size, this also start to grow with it. Vertebrates actually is a group of animal in which animal having backbone like fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds and mammal, in which we are belonging to this group. So these all animals having backbone known as vertebrates. Bones and cartilage, living cells, living tissues. These cartilage, bone and tissue are here. So skeleton grow if fracture. Unfortunately, if a bone is fractured, what happened due to these living tissues and living cells, what happened will heal up, able to repair. Osteoporosis, soft bones, porous bones. This the picture of a healthy bone here you can see, and the osteoporosis bone where you can easily observe these pores. These pores, why happen and why these holes, you can say that it's due to lack of calcium. When the calcium is less in diet or with any other problem, actually it's a disease in which the calcium is less in the bones, then the bones become soft, in which the density and quality of bones are reduced. Part of vertebral skeleton. Number 1, skull. The skull present here, you can say that our forehead and this all the part of the skull that actually protects our brain. Number 2, vertebra. Small jointed bone form backbone. So you can see this here, it's known as vertebra that combine or join with small bones together and make our backbone, or in all vertebrates it form backbone. Number 3, rib cage protects thorax, heart, lungs. So these bones that actually form ribs known as rib cage, and that protects all our soft part like heart, lungs. Parts of vertebral skeleton. Number 3 is limbs. Limbs are two types, upper limbs and lower limbs. In upper limbs we have arms and shoulders, and in lower limbs we have legs and hips. Thanks for